Keras, how to get the output of each layer. I have trained a binary classification model with CNN, and here is my code. And here, I want to get the output of each layer just like TensorFlow. How can I do that?
You can easily get the outputs of any layer by using model.layers, index.output. For all layers, use this. Note, to simulate dropout, use learning_phase as 1 dot in layer underscore outs, otherwise use 0 dot. Edit, based on comments. K.function creates the ANO/TensorFlow tensor functions, which is later used to get the output from the symbolic graph given the input. Now K.learning_phase is required as an input, as many Keras layers like dropout/batch normalization depend on it to change behavior during training and test time. So if you remove the dropout layer in your code, you can simply use Edit 2, more optimized. I just realized that the previous answer is not that optimized, as for each function evaluation the data will be transferred CPU, GPU memory, and also the tensor calculations needs to be done for the lower layers over and over. Instead, this is a much better way, as you don't need multiple functions but a single function giving you the list of all outputs.
Following looks very simple to me. Above is a tensor object, so you can modify it using operations that can be applied to a tensor object. For example, to get the shape model.layers, IDX, or .output.get_shape. IDX is the index of the layer and you can find it from model.summary.
From this URL, one simple way is to create a new model that will output the layers that you are interested in. Alternatively, you can build a Keras function that will return the output of a certain layer given a certain input, for example.
Based on all the good answers of this thread, I wrote a library to fetch the output of each layer. It abstracts all the complexity and has been designed to be as user-friendly as possible. This URL. It handles almost all the edge cases. Hope it helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.